this is your function. You want to put this in there. Label that x. F at x. This is your x. You want to slide this right into here. You did this for homework the day before, and most of you didn't have any trouble. So replace that x right here. Just replace it. God bless you. Minus, bring down your minus sign, and there's your function. There's your f at x. It's equal to 2x. This, I'm sorry, you should have been able to do this. Distribute, get rid of your like terms, combine, and then you should be able to cancel out the c. Your goal is to get rid of that denominator, eliminate that denominator. It works with any of these difference quotients. You're eliminating. Okay? Let me move this on. Do you see how you're replacing that x? You're replacing that entire x with whatever it tells you to replace it with. Okay, this time you have two x's. Make this be your x. This is your x over here. So first time through, plug it here, and rewrite it. That's all you had to do. Same as the homework the night before. Just plug it in, rewrite it. Minus, and we did almost the exact same thing in class yesterday, Friday. Almost the exact same thing, but we had a number in here. So we said subtract parentheses, plug the number in where x is. Just plug it in. Resolve this piece, put it in your calculator. Resolve that. This you have to FOIL. That you have to FOIL. This you have to be careful. Distribute your negative. If in the end you can't cancel something out that doesn't have an h, probably one of your signs is wrong. So go back and look wherever you had a negative. That negative is really, really urgent. Because what happens is if you don't distribute it, or you don't take care of this negative here, if there's more than one term, you're not going to cancel everything out. At this point, anything without an h should be able to get canceled out. 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3, minus 3, gone. This h and this 4h combine to give you 3h. This h squared, and everything has an h so far. Factor it out of the top, and then take out your common factor. Good? Questions? For those of you that couldn't do this, questions? Do you see where you were stopping or going wrong? I still, myself, always go like this and put an X. Because by the time you're looking back and forth, you forget what you're doing. It's a long thing. Put an X there, and let me erase this. Put your X here, and always put parentheses around your X, because that's where you're replacing it. That's an X, that's an X. So first time through, replace that with 2 plus H, 2 plus H. Second time through, replace it with a 2, with a 2. The rest of it is just collecting your like terms. Algebra 1, the rest of them. You're not solving anything, you're just simplifying. Just a difference quotient. In the end of this course, we talk limits, and limits help make a little bit more sense out of your difference quotient. But if you go on to calculus, you're going to need to know how to do this. This one, again, make this be your x. This is your x. There's your x right there. Replace it. Just rewrite this right here. Minus, there's your minus sign, f at x, which is this, which is that whole thing. Be careful of this negative, because you're not just subtracting the 8x, you're subtracting 8x minus 3. Distribute your negative, collect your like terms, and it becomes 8h over h, and the h's will come out. Will cancel out. If the h doesn't cancel out somewhere, then something went wrong. It's probably a negative sign. If you forgot this negative sign over here, and you made it look like this, then you're going to see, oops, -3 and -3, that's not canceling out. That's -6, and I can't factor an h out of that. That'll tell you right there that you made a mistake. I'm going to do this. And your last one, it's a little time consuming. I only gave you 4 of them. This is your x. There, f at x. It's right there. Plug this in. Replace it. Here it is right here. Just replace minus whatever this equation is. Don't forget parentheses. You're not just subtracting your first term, you're subtracting the whole function. There's no shortcut through this. Yes?
For the, when you had to do 2 times x plus h squared, did you have to like do the x plus h squared first and then multiply the 2?
Yeah. Order of operation says parentheses exponents. So this, unfortunately, is a product of 2 binomials. You have to, distribute this out, FOIL this out. And then multiply it by 2. Yep. Okay. Be careful of this negative sign. Be careful of this negative sign. At the end, everything will cancel out that doesn't have an h. This way you can factor out an h and then get rid of your denominator that way. Don't cross out terms. Make sure you factor it out. Questions? Well, it wasn't so difficult. God bless you. Step up this homework, you guys. Need to step this up a little bit. No questions on this? God bless you. Not that, please, huh?